Hi there, this is Alex from Moonside AI. In today's video, I will be presenting you my chatbot, which I named SwiftClerk, and it's an assistant designed for Shopify stores exclusively. And let me actually show you, because showing is better than saying. So, as you can see here in the corner, we have a small widget like most chatbots do. And if we click this, the chatbot has already welcomed us and it's given us a few options from which we can pick. Here we have ask a question, and if you go here, we can simply ask it any questions. For example, where do you ship? It's going to think a bit and then it's going to give us a few options. And obviously, this can be customized to whatever informations your business have, and we can fully customize the knowledge base of the chatbot, and it can answer basically any question if we give it enough information. The next option, and the one that I'm the most proud about, is the product recommendation system. If we click this one, it's going to ask us to pick from a category of products. Now, again, this can be fully customizable. It doesn't have to be for men's apparel stores like this test one that I have here. And if we continue and we click, let's go with pants. If we click one of the options, and now it will ask us to describe what kind of item would interest us. And it's even given us a few examples so that we have a clear idea of what we should say. For example, if you wanna, let's say I want something for the gym. So it recommended us these ones here, and this is again, fully customizable. It depends on what information we feed to the bot about the product. We are going to have to give it enough information so that it knows exactly what product to recommend. So yeah, that concludes the product recommendation. Next, we have cancel my order. And beforehand, I made an order set so that I can test this, and let me show you. So we have this one here, 1006. And if you click cancel my order, the chatbot will ask us for the number of the order. We are going to type this 1006, and then it's going to ask us for the email address. And I'm going to give it my email address. And this is just to validate that this is my order and I'm not just typing a random order number, so that people can cancel everyone's orders. And then he's going to ask me to confirm, and if I say yes, your order has been successfully cancelled. And then if you go here, we can see that my order, the number 1006, has been successfully cancelled. Let's now try the order tracking. So let's say you placed an order into a Shopify store, and you want to see where it's if it's been fulfilled, or if it's not been fulfilled. And here again, I'm going to type 1001. This is another order, like a fake order that I made and fulfilled in the quotation marks. And then it's going to say that your order has been fulfilled. Click the link down below, and if we click the link, it will take us to a Shopify order page. And if we actually add our email address and our order number here, it will show us all the information. So this is how this chatbot works. If you're interested in purchasing this assistant, I want to let you know that it's fully customizable, and that not only includes the knowledge base, it also includes the color, the avatar photo, everything about this. And we can even add custom functions in here if you so desire. For example, let's say you want to add like a I don't know, like a discount generator or something like that, and you want the user to do something, we can do that here. So yeah, that's it. If you're watching this video through the product page from my website, thank you for being interested in my services, and I hope we can work together and create something nice for your business. If you're watching this from YouTube, I want to let you know that if you're interested in purchasing this chatbot, there will be a link down in the description, and it will take you to the product page on my website. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.